Hey best friends, and this is your girl Brittany D, and welcome to God at the Movies. So this movie that we are actually taking a look at is called Jingle Jangle. It's on Netflix. I wouldn't say maybe young kids, but there is a little bit of spice in this movie, just a little bit. One of the songs are kind of explicit, I guess, if you're paying attention, but I mean, still somewhat kid friendly is what I'll say. Nothing sexual happens, but the song was a little provocative, if you get my dress parents. But yeah, so this movie really just is about an inventor who has the magic, who believes, and basically his apprentice who felt like he was not being seen by him, that wasn't being valued by him, stole all of this man's inventions and said it was his own. Basically, he became rich. The true inventor became bitter and sad. Through this whole thing, he loses his wife. She passes, unfortunately. And then soon enough, there was a wedge between him and his daughter. So I will let you go ahead and look at it, but it does get better from there. But it was very interesting just to see when we feel like someone has taken everything away from us. For the inventor, right? He hit rock bottom, right? But he still had his family. He kept going. Then his wife passed away, and that was his heart. You could tell that was his heart. And now he really felt like he had nothing to give. All the magic was gone after he lost his wife. I just want to encourage us, those of us who feel like we have hit rock bottom this Christmas season, we have nothing else to give. We feel like we just want to push people away and be isolated, because that's exactly what he did to his daughter. He pushed his daughter away from him and isolated himself. Didn't really want her love. It's like when we get to those dark places, it is not good to push people away. That is not what God wants us to do. God wants us to seek the kingdom first, right? He wants us to run after him when we are in those challenging times. He dealt with loss. He dealt with his career being taken advantage or taken away. He's really kind of reminds me of Job, right? Job's wives died or left him. His children passed away. All these things, he felt like he had nothing at all. And the only thing I believe in the movie he had left was his shop. But then his shop wasn't even his shop anymore. It turned into something else, a pawn shop. When we have those moments or those seasons in our lives, right, just know that God will restore you. That is the hope, right? The hope is that he will restore you. And if we look at the book of Job, right, he believed that Job was the type of man that can take all this, still will love him regardless. And when I said the enemy had a field day with Job, he had a field day with Job. House, car, all the things you could think about was gone. But because of Job's faithfulness, God restored it all. So I want to tell you, whatever the enemy has taken from you, God will restore it. You just have to believe, keep hope, and keep pushing in the Lord, because he sees you. And remember, all things are working together for your good. So I just want to encourage you today. If you feel like a Job in this season, that is a great thing, because you know what? That means restoration is coming. And God is going to give you double for your trouble. At the end of the movie, that's what we see, right? We see that he has gained so much more at the end of the movie. He is happy and he has got his joy back. And that's what I just want to say to you. You will get your joy back, best friends. Joy is coming in the morning. Be patient, because that's what's going on with his apprentice, right? He thought he wasn't seen by him. He let the enemy talk to him, tell him that he could steal his ideas and make his own. He had all that money because he was faking about who he was, to the point where he ran out of the ideas from the person who really made it. And then at the end of the movie, you see that the main character gives him his Christmas gift that he's had for over 40, 30 years. He gives it to him. It was the part that he needed to make his invention great. He said, if you just would have been patient with me, I would have showed you everything, and I would have helped you become who you were supposed to be. That's it, best friends. We gotta be patient in the Lord. He is developing us to be who God's calling us to be. And it's hard for us to wait, right? Because we feel like we're ready now, we got it now, but there's still more development in us. So be patient, because when it's your season, it is your season. And it'll be beautiful, it'll be amazing. You don't have to fake it, you won't have to deal with imposter syndrome, none of those things, because you have the confidence to go walk in whatever God has called you to, because you have done the work. So in this time of preparation, work it, best friend. Do what you gotta do. Put the time in, because due season is coming. Joy is coming in the morning. We will see the glory of the Lord. All right, best friends. Well, that's what I got for that movie. Until tomorrow, we're going to talk about the next movie. And have a great day.